Hello, I'm Suzzane. This is a quick video to show how to cut objects in half and mirror it. In this tutorial, I will use Monkey Suzzane. Now I go to Add, Merge, and go to Add Monkey Suzzane here. I switch to front view and close up to view it. And then we can select Monkey Suzzane and go to Edit Mode. Now, if we want to make a further adjustment for the geometry, we can make a selection. I will use the vertex selection and switch to X-ray mode. Now I select the vertices on here on the left side, and then we can make a further adjustment. For example, I press S to scale it and G to move it. We can do it in one side, but another side, we cannot make a modification. If we want to make a modification for the both sides together, we can cut object and mirror it. Now we can press A to select all the vertices, and then go to Merge, and we can find Bisect here. Click it, and click and drag to add the Bisect plane. And then we can set the plane location by using Bisect panel. I select plane point XYZ and enter 0 to XYZ. So we can see that the Bisect plane is at the origin. And then we can control the angle. We can use 1 to X and YZ. I enter in 0. So we can see that the plane is the middle of the Monkey Suzzane. Next, we can control the size of cuts. We can click clear inner, or we can click clear outer. I will choose clear outer and then click on empty space to apply it. And then we can go to modifier properties and add the modifier, and we can go to generate and find mirror here. Click it to add mirror modifier. So now we can make a further adjustment for the geometry. I select the ear again, and then we can use G to move it, and we can use S to scale it. So we can do the modification to the both sides. Now if you want to apply the geometry, we can go to Object Mode again, and then we can go to Apply Modifier here. So we can go back to Edit Mode. We can see that we have geometry to the both sides. So this is how we can cut objects in half and mirror in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Suzzane. See you in the next video.